Welcome to the personal property tour for 18 Broad Street in Cowdenbeath. This is a spacious 2-bedroomed villa, recently renovated. You've got extensive lounge dining space, you've got a lovely renovated kitchen as well, which you could easily put a dining set in, and you've got 2 good sized bedrooms. You're right in the centre of town as well, and the bonus with this one is you do have off-street parking and you have a courtyard garden area as well. This is Personal Property Tour. All of the details are in the link in this post, along with the all-important price points, and I'll just take you on the tour. So this is the property here. So the property starts here, so that's your main entrance. Your off-street parking is just here as well, and then your garden area is to the top. And if I just flick this round, you'll see you've got your parking space here as well, but you're right in the centre of town, so it's in a great location. And as we come along here, you've got your own private gates, as you can see. And then you've got your courtyard garden area, so you've got this raised area here. It's really capturing the sunshine as well, so it's a great area to be sitting outside enjoying life, as it were. You also have this second patio area here too, and you've got a raised area there again. So again, just capturing all of that lovely sunshine that we're getting. And then this is technically the rear of the property, and this is where bedroom 1 is. What's great about that is you've got these patio doors as well, so if you're waking up in the morning, you're coming out, you're sitting here having your morning coffee. Lovely idea, isn't it? But they're really spacious, and you'll see that as soon as we come in. So we're going into bedroom number 1, as you can see. The finish is lovely, but they're really good sized rooms as well. So lots of nice detailing. You can see it's a really large double room, and you've got double wardrobes ×2 there as well. But great space these rooms have. And as you can see, the patio doors taking you out to the outside courtyard as well. Really good sized room, isn't it? We then come into the inner hallway, and we have bedroom number 2 just along here. And again, this is a really good sized double room. You've got these lovely skylights as well. But good space, and you've got a large double wardrobe there too. But it's nice and bright. Really good sized room. And that's bedroom number 2. And as we come out, you'll see in the inner hallway this space you have here. This would be a fantastic nook for, say, a home office area. So if you're working from home, that's a great space to just have your quiet time. Then back into the hallway, we'll go into the shower room. And as you can see, as we're going around, everything's just recently been renovated. So you've got your wash hand basin, your WC, you've also got your shower, you've got your thermostatic control and your rainfall shower head, but a really good sized shower room. You could easily put a bath in here. And that's your shower room. So we'll come back into the hallway, and then when we go through here, it takes us into the lounge space. And again, as soon as we come in, you can just see the extension. Isn't that lovely? Such a big room, isn't it? You've got your media wall here, you've got these 2 skylights, so much natural light coming in. But what a size of a room, isn't it? You can see what I was meaning about putting a dining set in here. But to be honest, you can just have this as a really open plan space, because your kitchen, when you see that, you've plenty of space in there for dining as well. So as you can see, really nice sized rooms. Lovely and bright with those skylights as well. Really spacious, isn't it? Then we come in to the additional hallway. You've got a really large walk-in cupboard in here as well. And then we come into the kitchen. But again, even in the hallway, you've got this lovely detailing with the wall. It's really nice, isn't it? And then this is your kitchen. So this was the door you saw right at the very beginning, so that's technically your front door. I guess you would use that because then you can be parking up and then just coming straight in. But you can see you could easily have a dining set in here. You have plenty of space for an American fridge freezer. You could also put a lovely island in here. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor above. But you can see it's a nice 2-tone kitchen as well. Really deep windows too. It's lovely and quiet in here. It's a great sized room, isn't it? So just to recap, this is a personal property tour for 18 Broad Street in Cowdenbeath. As you've seen, it's ground floor, really spacious villa. You've got those 2 really good sized bedrooms. You've got that lovely open plan lounge dining space as well. And that's an enormous room. And you've got this recently renovated kitchen as well as a spacious shower room as well. But real bonus, because you're in the centre of town too, you've also got your off-street parking and you've got that double courtyard garden. So really good outside space too. Location wise, it's fantastically located. So you're about 15 minutes to Kirkcaldy. You're on all of the bus routes here. You're about a 7-minute drive to Dunfermline. You can commute from Dunfermline, obviously, on the park and ride over to Edinburgh. You can also get the train. So your commute here is fantastic. It's in a really great location. Your primary school and the secondary school is not far from here either. But you're in the heart of town. So if you work locally or within a kind of 10-mile radius, you've got really flexible living here. And as I say, because you've got that off-street parking, it's really highly sought after, isn't it? If you think this is of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000 and you can have a chat with them. And as I mentioned earlier, all of the details of the post are in the link above. You've got the price point and further information about the property. And it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.